I'm gonna go to Slurpee Mart. Now I gonna steal all the money out of the register.
Oh, hello. How may I help?
Give me all your money.
Ha. I too smart for that.
Do it or else I will fire my laser.
Okay, take it.
Oh god. He just robbed Slurpee Mart.
Oh god, no.
Wait. That's him right there. Get him. Hey. Let me go, you idiots. A learner. Grab that cart and track her out of his control box. Got it.
Where am I? What happened? It's a long story. Anyways, I'm gonna get some French fries.
Now that's over with. Get over here, Thunder Baby.
You gotta be kidding me. Hello YouTube. A learner here. This is the end of the movie, The Hunt for Triblaster. We hope you enjoyed this special. This is a learner signing off.
Hey toilet.
Grape. Just grape. Can't I go one day without seeing P50?
Lay down please. I need to take a crap.
No. Anyways, see you guys later.